So here I am at the Cancer Center in New York. I'm picking up my friend. This starts our show. And we're going to be doing cooking together and different things. So I want you guys to get to meet her. This is one of my best friends in the world. She's amazing. And this is the person that, you know, when I go through tough times, and now we're going to live a good life and enjoy ourselves and cook and stuff and try to make her healthy and live as long as she possibly can. Her name is Angel Lovely. So I'm introducing to one of my besties in the world. You know, this woman known me for about 16 years. You know what I say? And I'm the godfather to her daughter. So you're gonna see Leah Nice too. You're gonna be able to subscribe to her channel. Okay, so you're live on my show.
Oh God.
Not live, but you're.
Thank you.
How are you feeling?
I got his food. Okay.
Try not to use any bad language or anything.
Okay, my next appointment is 7 minutes past.
7 minutes past. Did you call ahead?
No.
Okay, be a superstar and put it in here.
Okay.
Put the in Google Maps. So where are we headed to, ma'am?
I got us food to eat because I know we are hungry.
So people, this is my bestie.
Are we on YouTube?
You're gonna be on my channel.
Oh, hey guys and girls. Yes, I can.
No, you're what? No. The food smells good. What is that?
A salad.
Oh, you're eating healthy now. People, she's from Antigua.
This thing is telling me Cuba. What is going on? This is a Jamaican phone. I think it's telling me Jamaica all over the place.
I have to connect to my other phone with it.
Ah, well, there's also French fries.
Alright, so how was the doctor's visit?
The doctor's visit was so great. He told me exactly what was wrong. And I was like, that makes so
Talk
much
to
sense.
me. What did he say?
I can't tell you my business on JGL.
Come on, everybody knows him.
Oh my God, everybody knows what?
They're gonna know. Don't you want them to know?
You ever saw that on TikTok? They're gonna know.
Put it in.
Clean your hands.
So where are we going?
We're going right into the next doctor. I'm gonna go get a treatment real quick. Hopefully she's able to take me right away.
Up or down?
Up. Sorry. Up that street.
So people, we're in New York. I'm with Angel. The most amazing people in the world. Appear positive people I have around me.
Oh yes.
Artists. Beautiful women all the time. West Indian, put on your seatbelt.
Oh, thank you.
This your woman a pure vibe, a vibe. It's an Antiguan woman, she a pure vibe. When I go love Angel cooking show, because we have set it up. That's it for now.
They know me. I've been on your channel several times.
So you want me, maybe we should,
We should cut and come back.
what you should do what?
We should cut and come back.
Cut, what you mean cut?
Cut the show and come back.
No, we're not cut nothing, you know. Give me the French fries. I'm glad to see you buy salad car. Yeah. I'll have your phone number, I'm gonna call. You're doing good. Proud of you. You get ketchup?
I do.
Yeah. But this is why I love you, Angel. One of the realest person you wanna meet. And nicest, caring, that's why she's Angel. She's taking care. You've taken care of children all your life.
All of my life. I've taken care of everybody all my life. Oh, this salad.
And you
is
grew up in
nice.
Antigua?
I grew up in Antigua until I was 16.
Mm-hmm.
And then I moved to New Jersey.
Yeah.
And then I've lived in several places in the United States.
Yeah.
Now I am in New York. I've been in New York for approximately 12, 13, 14, 15 years. On and off.
Yeah.
Oh, look, there's a Jamaican flag. How nice.
Well, I wonder who's stealing something over there.
You should. Let's put it on it and see.
Let's see, I'm just kidding.
What is that? Oh, maybe it's a food
It's
truck.
a food truck.
Oh.
I'm never gonna stop on talk to them one day. I wonder what name. That the food truck they look like say broke down. I'm just kidding. The name on two sides of the truck. You see that they don't understand. Yeah. But now I got my people then, but Jesus, reason? You have a food truck and have the name on both sides? I wait it. I must say Moko deck. No, it's not named Moko, but I must say Moko deck.
Moko! I know Moko.
No, Moko is a place in Clarendon.
Oh, okay.
Whenever people say you know understand, they say Moko you come from.
Oh.
So I don't want my subscribers them from Moko for unsubscribe, so watch out. I apologize. So anyway,
So this is my salad today, guys. I made a really nice salad.
so when I
There is beans, olives, chicken, egg, mesclun mix, cucumbers, tomatoes. How much? I'm not sure. Maybe about $10.
So
Get out of your car and get into this bus. I don't think so. It's so yummy. We'll make this perfect some red apple. They didn't have any.
you make some nice salads.
Thank you. Cool has been spending a couple of days with me, and we've been having such a great time and some good food.
Next time when we do a show, you're gonna cook. We're gonna cook.
I'm gonna cook for the channel.
Yeah, we're gonna cook. And what's your favorite thing for cooking?
Anything. This is my favorite hospital. This is Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center. Anytime you're in New York and you have cancer or you know somebody, bring them down here. And this is where I get my treatment. I am stage 4.
What? You're gonna break it to them like that?
Just like that. Let them know.
You're stage 4 cancer? How did that happen?
Who knows? It wasn't genetics, but you never know.
Breast cancer first?
Breast cancer.
You had your breast removed?
I did.
But your energy,
They're still there.
you're a strong queen empress kind of African woman.
Yeah.
You're a powerful woman. And you did cut off your teeth to them, so how then grow back?
Well, they didn't grow back. What I did was a breast reconstruction where they used the fat from my stomach and they put it in my chest wall, and that became my new breast.
All right, we're gonna pause on this one. So basically, here you have a beautiful, powerful black woman with breast cancer. And she's always positive. Sometimes you have up and down days, right?
I do, yeah. You know.
Angela, real West Indian woman, you know. They wind up in a dance to Sugar Minot and Teddy Pendergrass and Berry Salmon. Who are your favorite reggae artists?
I love Barris and Eminem.
You mean for hip hop? What? Mr. Reggae? You know what I'm saying?
I got you.
The key market to you.
I got you. I got you.
So here's a woman with stage 4 cancer. We're gonna be filming her to keep track of her positivity. When I'm around you, do you feel better?
I do. Boy, you always make me feel better. Beautiful. We're going right here. Turn in. Is on the left.
All right, I'm gonna be waiting for you to come back.
You can't. I need you to take me in there. You always
in there,
drop
sir?
a. You
Okay.
drop a queen off door-to-door service, sir.
Oh, I never see the turn. Hold on. Make sure it's no can let me from. That's all.
Who's waiting?
Alright. This is a queen, people. This is the queen. I'm taking her to the appointments so we can get rid of this cancer and live long. That's why I shall eat healthy now. Randy's in town. We're going to green her up with some watercress and slow down this cancer. People in the world, this is Angel Lovely on Jamaica Good Life.
I'll see you guys later.
Later. pizza. Let's have a slice. I'll have a regular slice. How much is that? How much is it?
Which one?
Regular.
Regular $3.
All right. Huh?
How many you want?
Just one. I haven't had a pizza in a while. This is pepperoni. Not too hot. Okay. I'm gonna stay with that. Different kind of pizza here. Just had a salad. Wow.
There you go.
I have to travel in New York more. Look at this one. Nice. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. That's like the first pizza we eat together. We're gonna go with it. All right, my people. This is our first pizza in the rain together. So, I had a slice of pizza, had a salad, brought Angel to see the 2 appointments. And later we're gonna go interview Sandrine TV for YouTube. She's in Bronx. So we're gonna interview her later. And do that. And we head back to Brooklyn. So we're moving around, you know? We're moving around. Let's get back to the car. Back on the show.
Oh shit! Wait, hold on.
No, that's
No,
going in.
this is doing this on your
What?
jacket.
Back on the show.
This is messing again. Get that on.
Back on the show. Got Angel.
Not on the show I'm doing now. I have salad on my teeth.
How was the doctor's visit?
Doctor's visit was good.
What did the doctor say?
And I'm not dying yet. But I told her that when I do die, she's going to be like, I don't want to hear about it. I told you so. She didn't take her medicine. She's like, I'll never say that. We had a doctor from Nigeria. He was studying. He's here in America for a year. He's studying to be an oncologist. And then he's going to go back to Lagos, Nigeria. He was really funny. He kept on putting his hand here and bowing to me like a gracious queen that I am. It was so nice. He never laughed so hard. I gave him nothing but jokes. We had a great time.
Oh, nice. Hi, did you get money from him?
No, I didn't get any money from
Well, you're not working then. I sent you up there to work.
my belly! My belly!
Even with cancer, I need you to work. Yes, New York way. That's the New York way. Gotta
You
work.
don't have a thing to hold the phone.
No, I like to hold it because
But then you only drive it on.
I always drive. No, you can't hold phone like me. I'm an expert at this. I drive through the entire Jamaica with holding the phone.
Yeah, you're gonna get a
I am
whole ticket
no joke.
from the NYPD holding that damn phone. You see them over there? Have you ever looked to see if you have any tickets?
I think I have 2.
Let me go. Every time I look at Uncle's over he has tickets. Oh, sorry. Let me.
I have 2 tickets. Yeah. 2 tickets. It was just coming from Jamaica, driving a little fast, faster than 25 miles an hour.
Do you know your license plate number?
Don't say it. You can't say that.
I don't want you to say it. Look, just like say it to
I don't
me.
remember it.
Tell me.
I don't.
Put it in here.
I don't remember it. I really don't. It's a new plate number.
Look at your name right there on that plate.
What's my name? What?
Look at the first 3 letters.
53?
First 3 letters.
Oh,
On the license
okay.
plate.
Kev, yes.
Kevy.
Yes, don't tell anybody. They don't know that. There's a lot of things they don't know about me, you know.
Why are you hiding?
People can mind them business, you know, man.
You could go that winner. You could go down.
Turn left onto East 62nd Street, then take the ramp to FDR Drive
Look
North.
at this man. Talk about he's riding his motorcycle. Y'all don't know New York. We need to just drive through New York for them. Okay?
All right. So, man, tell us
I
how
mean, he didn't tell you to go 1,700 miles an hour.
Yo,
He
it's a
just
bullet.
told you to turn.
This car is a
He
bullet.
didn't tell you to go
Bad
1,700 miles an hour.
man ting.
What is going on there?
Bad man ting. Hanukkah, happy Hanukkah,
This is the
everybody.
best place in the world to live. Over in Roosevelt Island, New York. I've lived over there for a year. It was so beautiful.
Rockefeller
and so
University.
Wonderful. Yes, I love Roosevelt Island.
So you living your best life?
Right now?
Yeah.
No.
No?
Shoot, I gotta call the doctor. I need drugs.
Well, don't say anything bad.
Sorry.
You're alive. Forever. People gonna see you whenever I'm with you.
Boy, that I need drugs. I need my medication. I'm sick.
Are you sick?
Sick in my head.
This
is
what stage 4 cancer looks like.
No. This is Cool's role. The funny role.
My
When I'm
role
taking
is
it
to
away from
keep her alive. My role is to keep her alive, people. I'm here to keep her happy. When
belly hurts. The
people
salad
get
is too
stage 4
much.
cancer, they bring me around and the cancer goes away. Because I bring joy and happiness every day.
Drive home.
So what time Leah's from school? What time school ends?
4.
4? So we can't get her in time.
What? It's not 3:37. It's 2:37 right now. Your time
No,
wrong.
it is 3 now. I changed it.
You did not change it. It is
Check the time.
2:37.
Check your
boy.
time. Is this 2:37?
Yes. Hello?
Okay, so we're going to go pick her up. Why don't we go straight to her?
I don't want to stay here for the rest of my life.
In 2 miles, take exit 17 on the left for Robert F. Kennedy Bridge.
So we're going to go pick her up straight?
No, because it's going to take too long.
We can't go home and come back. That makes no
we're
sense.
not going to go home and come back. Don't you have something to do?
To go interview the person?
Mm-hmm.
All right, I got to get her number.
You don't.
No, I got to get her address from my phone when I'm recording.
Oh, God, I got to call you.
Okay.
I got to clock out. We got so many private things to do when you're in the car and you're talking about
All right, so let me stop and go directly to her, okay?
Go directly to
To interview her, meet her.
not with me.
Why not?
I don't want to come. No.
Okay, so we drop you off first,
Yeah.
and then I go interview her, and then I rush back to go. No, well, let me just
you
go.
don't have to get Leah. Leah takes the bus home. It's
Yeah, let's
fine.
just me interview her. Yeah, let me just do that. Yes, people, this is Louie. Pick up Angel. Trying to make sure she have a good life. You know what I mean? I say she's smiling. You know, sometimes she's in pain and thing. Keep a positive attitude. How you keep it positive? Oh, don't say anything.
You asked me a question of answering you. How do you keep it positive? I don't know. It's just life. It's just, however you feel, you deal with it. When you're not feeling good, try to do something that makes you feel better. Listen to some music. Read a book. Watch a funny movie show. Do something that elevates your spirit, raises your internal guidance system. You understand me, people? Yes. And sometimes when you're not feeling good, enjoy that and stay there. It's not all the time you need to feel good. Who says so? We need a balance in the world. There's going to be times you feel good and times you're not going to feel good. So, yeah.
Carrier can't move.
Well, should we pick Leah up early from school? Why
No,
can't we
let's
just get
not.
her
Let's
early?
not. Let's not change the plans. See, stay left.
It's a tool.
Continue for 3/4 of a mile.
Yes, my people. So,
There's 7-minute congestion on Interstate 278 East to 2 miles. You are still on the fastest route.
my belly is full. You try very well, Mr. Pointer.
Yeah, man. I'm driving to Jamaica. One hand all over Jamaica.
Yeah, because you was on a donkey.
No.
You had a vehicle. Jamaica got cars. Oops. They have cars in Jamaica? I thought you told me they were still on.
In a quarter mile, use the left lane to take the
I'll do it for you.
I-278 East exit
No,
toward I-87
I'm good.
North Bronx.
I'll do it for you. I
I'm
know.
good. Put it up at the thing. Put it up there.
It's like this?
Yeah.
Or this.
Just hold it anyway.
Use the left lane to take the I-278 East exit
We got
and
it.
keep right.
Where I go?
Keep
Right.
right.
This way.
You see why I'm trying to take them on a journey. Take them on a journey for show them the vibration, Yes.
When are you going to
Today
teach me how to drive?
was an eventful day. Next time I forward.
Next time you forward.
Yes.
Okay. I want to learn how to drive, people. I now I'm 36, and I do know how to drive in a straight line. I can go straight forever. I can drive straight from here to California. Don't ask me to pull over. Don't ask me to reverse. Don't ask me to park.
In 1,000 feet, use the right 2 lanes to take the exit toward New Haven.
This is it, people. We're taking it home. Yes, what a day. Pizza, salad. Got a chance to see
Exit toward New Haven. Then
the city.
Showed everybody your
Use
pizza
any
and
lane
your
to
salad.
follow signs
Yeah,
for
man, them
Broadway
come by
Expressway.
pizza with me. Where I go? What?
At the
I go
interchange
New Haven, right?
Use any lane to follow signs for Broadway Expressway. Continue for 2 miles.
It looks like the toll is better,
In 1.5 miles, take exit 49 for New York 895 North, Sheridan Expressway toward East 177th Street.
Oh wow, the tool is so much quicker.
house, right?
Yeah.
20 minutes.
From the doctor to my house. Isn't that amazing?
It's crazy. That's crazy. Did they have new roads or something?
Yeah, they're building new roads right here. So this traffic is crazy backed up during the afternoons. That's Jeffy.
Ooh. Regular. You know, it's been years since I had a pepperoni pizza. Some of the things I haven't had.
I know, because Batman don't yam pork.
Me a madman, me a bad man. You see?
Oh my goodness!
Them call me Mad God in Jamaica.
What they call you? Mad God. Mad God?
Mad God.
Mad God.
Yeah.
That is so hilarious.
Madman, man, a bad man. When bad man see me, them say, I'm madman that. You don't want to mess with him. He may all kill the rest of them in your house. When him come for you. No, there's nothing alive. Boy, I roach too. Roach I get spray. There.
My belly hurts.
Them call around the Mad God.
Mad God.
And I Jamaica them call the Prime Minister Bro God. They call me Mad God. Because when them see me with the madman, them say, yo, Mad God. Them say, yo, watch yourself.
Mad God. That
Talk
is
too
hilarious.
loud when them see you.
That's hilarious.
Mad God. No, sure. But the people them don't know, you know. They don't know, say me a gang, dirty gang. They don't know. But don't, that's what I tell you. Not tell them a secret. Tell them say me a dirty gangster.
Don't tell them already. We won't tell them that you like pepperoni.
Yo, easy yourself. But say a long time I eat pepperoni pizza. Long time.
Yeah.
Come on, Crasta. Not Crasta.
2 days ago?
What, wait, 2 days? No, man.
2 days ago?
No, man, I come on New York. No, man, I don't pepperoni.
Oh, yeah, somebody go use a Crasta. Your friend on the phone.
Yeah,
What
Crasta.
does Crasta mean?
It's cross between a Christian and a Rasta. In between two of them.
Interesting.
So sometimes I eat pork on December 25th. You see me? And sometimes I bonfire on the pork. When I eat it, I give thanks.
Amen.
You see,
All
that's
right.
a Crasta.
Interesting.
Yeah, 'cause you don't want to, they put them from the Christian, you know. They love them pork, you know.
They do. They should.
Pork and Jesus is, you can't take them Jesus and them pork from them. You can't do that. I said, Emily so big, they need a detox. That's why I stay over the Rasta side more time. Stay healthy.
I love me some pig mouth and pigtail. And
You eat pigtail and pig foot?
What?
A cow foot nice, but you eat pig foot too?
Pig foot, yes. Pigtail and pig mouth are the sweetest though.
No, sir.
Pig mouth and pigtail sweet in the rice. Ooh. Nothing to sweet so. Pig mouth and pigtail. We're
Yeah,
gonna
man.
cook some oxtail. What's wrong with oxtail?
Any meat activate cancer. Any meat. And you know the chicken them have the testas, the asteroid. Well, the asteroid in them.
Asteroid.
The steroids.
Steroids.
Yeah man, that's why the woman them so thick them knee look like say them a wall up building.
Oh, I had the doctor. I told him just I was having a little knee problem. He was touching my knee, and you know, I liked it. I was like, oh, that feels so good. It felt like a little massage. He was like,
Yeah.
When you go home and you're in bed, you can lay down like this and then just let it hang. I said, I'll try that. I said we should go get a massage because
Yeah, play with the doctor then.
I do. I flirt everywhere I go.
Yeah. If you don't make no money, don't come back home.
You say, when you have stage 4 cancer, you have
Hey,
money.
go upstairs, go work.
Money for Mac.
Mad God, sure.
My God, sure. That is so funny. That's so funny.
Yeah, man. I'll make a move in here. Mad God! Yo, you say Mad God? Yo, Mad God, I did. Yo. Yeah,
They
man.
get you a uniform where they cut the pants right there, right above, below your knee,
Mm-hmm.
and get you some like shoes made out of like soda bottles.
Soda bottles.
Yeah, they take the soda bottles and flatten it out,
Yeah.
and then tie a piece of string to bring between by your toe.
Yeah.
Yes, you can get that and a torn shirt, and your name is Mad God.
Yeah, man.
Huh.
Him not a bad man for him. The only man that Jamaica bad man Frida.
Mad God.
My God.
I cannot laugh anymore.
When the mad God come out of the building, everybody run out. And go dance. The whole dance shut down and him one left. And we kill everybody just for the hell of it. If them play the wrong tune, yo, yo, wrong tune that you know. Everybody dead. Up here, him have about 300,000 bullets on him to my God. Oh, Gatling, him walk with it.
A what?
Gatling.
What's that?
A big dirty gun with Mad God.
Oh, Mad God managed that for here. He even about the clothes. How he hide that? The police them
No, man,
scared of him
close,
too.
man. Him have close, man. In strong, man. Bad. Eh? Normal.
Wow.
I joke, man. My God. Yes, people. Them say we're not bad, we're mad. So when bad man say with them, say them cry for them father and them dad. We just laugh and then run. When them a cuss, we just laugh. Yes or no?
How come we don't see you in the camera?
Come here, my God.
We want to see your pretty face.
No, man. No pretty over here, sir. I want to you. No, what can I talk that? Mad God, we push out a car.
So then I won't die from cancer, then from a whole
You
car.
drop off a bridge, you
Like
know what I'm saying, off a berry, dropping out the
Oh,
ditch.
look at this. Hurt at work. 718 hurt now.
No, you won't forget that. You just give them a
Harrisburg.
free advertisement. 718
Yes.
hurt now.
718 hurt now. Se habla español.
No, you no call.
Ah.
Yo, so people, so we enjoy ourselves, you know, we don't watch no face. You know what I'm saying? And when we hang out with the angel, that's why I'm so positive, Tommy. My friend, them positive. We just, vibes up, you know. We say vibes up. A new t-shirt. Vibes up.
Vibes up.
Almighty up. See me? Because, you know, this is life, yeah. Enough things are going. But if you're sad every day, it don't make no sense. Live life freely. So even when we're dead, we say, yes, we was on earth and eating some nice food and catch the beach and meet some people and play some music and all our vibes. And that's what come here for doing, you know. People are left no mansion and money in the bank for what? Everybody can work for what they want, you know. Every human being, you know, everybody have a choice. You know, Mom, I don't want that house, you know. So they look at Debbie and say, Mom, I don't want that house. Yeah, I work hard for everything and them don't want it. You say them go to college, then drop out. So my daughter say, whatever you want, go get it. Better you make people get things and not just do things and make life easy for people. Hard work, hard life, build character, you know? What was your dream growing up?
What was my dream to be? I was going to be a lawyer
I'll stop you.
because I read a lot of John Grisham books and John Grisham was amazing. What stopped me?
Big question, big interview, Larry King over here, so.
Yeah, something big stopped me.
Uh-oh. Boy!
Mad, is it? Mad God.
That's how we resting, you know, man.
This is the building they told me to come in to ask if I had a baby daddy. They're like, where's your baby daddy? I say his name is Neil Armstrong. I don't know where he at. No man. They're like, you know that's the first man on the moon. I said, oh, I didn't realize they have the same name. Sorry. I really when they asked me what my baby father name was, I told them Neil Armstrong. I completely forgot he was the first man on the moon. I mean, I kind of remember, but I wasn't paying no attention to it.
Of course. To the brother, the man have to go on, so they're driving. You know, a mad God turn up today. Eh? You're a fool boy. You know who are driving on the car yourself? You want to tie a punch and car push over a road?
Mad God don't do the people them nothing.
Sometimes, you know, when the mad God now me turn up, you know, and it feels like people want to something, me can't even function because I know what the necessary thing might happen. And I say, no, wake up, wake him up, don't do it.
Go, stay here at 77.
Take exit 49, then continue on the New York 895.
I say, no, wake up the darkness.
Oh, this is what he did. Very nice. He has a lot of sense.
I say, no, wake up the darkness. That's what I'm saying, you know. That's why I stay positive, you know. I feel laugh, you know, because if I don't laugh, people cry, you know.
Bad murder.
If me don't laugh, people cry.
Continue on to New York 895.
That's why I have to keep laughing at this hour
Chester
earlier.
Avenue exit.
Watch yourself, you know, my yacht. You know who I drive? Sure.
You see how they're fixing the roads? It's so crazy.
Yeah, man. Yeah, but the Matrix is, you know. The Matrix.
Let me know somebody that drive 400 go to you. Say, my boss, what do you think you're there?
Take the West
Why am I
Chester
drive
Avenue
fast?
exit.
Yes. You think so? You're on
The highway there.
on the highway, the speedway.
Yeah. Where I go? Where I go?
River Avenue.
Okay. One of the reasons why you must always film when you're driving as much as you can, get something to put on the window. Because in case of accident, you have the evidence, you know. And now this crazy world right now, you know, anything can't mean, you know. Camera always have to turn on, you don't know who I go drive over, who I go shoot to, catch it on camera, or which police are going to beat a black man, so you have to always ready for help about a brother. You see what I'm saying? You have to always ready. You know, Bronx have some funny bridge and some funny road. You know the way them set it up.
This is the Bronx, people.
This is the
I know
fucking
America does not look like, you know, the land of honey and milk and gold paved streets. Yeah, it's just this filthy little naughty place.
Bronx River Avenue.
shithole.
Yeah, can you imagine there's people hungry in America and people homeless in America? America, the land of milk and honey. Yeah, this is the same old dirty Bronx. All right, just so.
Enough people watch my girl. I almost push it on them, you know.
Please don't kill me. We have a child to go home too.
Isn't me?
I have a child to go home to. Please, Mr. Mad God, I beg you. Mr. Mad God, I beg you, sir. I have to go home to my child.
Alright, me take it
Please.
easy.
Let's thief this boat, you know. Let's thief.
Me just tell you,
Why can the Bronx have boat?
Me tie you up on
Oh
it.
my God, what going on in the Bronx? The Bronx always have something going on in the Bronx.
Me tie you up on it.
You tie me up on the boat?
I'll make you pull it. You see me?
There is this girl on Instagram.
Watch what you say you're live. You know?
Oh, feeding this girl dog food. And they're like, don't tell her. Why are you letting her do that? Yeah, make she do nothing.
My youth, don't talk to that girl because she end up look like crackhead already. Easy yourself, my youth.
Are you talking about the two girls?
You know, she already have a crackhead personality.
Yeah, she doing the movement.
Yeah,
she's
you know.
twitching. She's
yeah, man, I see
twitching.
it already, man. Eyes them sinking. Fast of sleep.
That's how all Bronx girls look.
Like crackhead.
Hey, I'm so glad I'm not from the Bronx.
Don't be dog in the Bronx. Because enough people from the Bronx. Yo, mad God, oh, you meant to talk about things up.
Wait, you have people from the Bronx, so what? You sure?
What you mean, man? When them see this lane and thing, I say, mad God, you there, me hard, you know, I just say, I grew up in a mad God. You see me?
Turn left on East 174th Street.
I say, you say? Alright, we're not telling them you're there. Later, people. Amazing Grace, how sweet the song. Make sure you know so you don't eat.
Amazing Grace. Oh, Triple Deuce Express. Go on.
A
Triple
Jamaica
Deuce.
place, huh?
Jamaica
I'm
place.
going